How to use Temu app on PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First option is go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for temu.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Temu, so go ahead and sign yourself in and further use the web version of Temu. Second option is, if you have Bluestacks installed on your device, then launch Bluestacks and tap on the search bar there and search for Temu. Download the app and use the app further. I will simply launch the app and use it since I already have it installed on my device. Sign yourself in and scroll through Temu on your PC. So, this is how you can use Temu app on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.